Simplify x minus x over x minus 1 over x. This is algebraic fraction and I am going to simplify. Just you watch my steps and keep in mind to apply these steps whenever you see something like this. I will say this equals x over 1 minus x over 1 minus 1 over x. Why I'm doing this? Always I have to make sure I have fraction with fractions. This equals x over 1 minus x over 1 minus 1 over x. Now I'm going to change it to work out just the denominator of the second fraction, because I have to finish first the bottom part, and I have x over 1 minus 1 over x. I'm subtracting fraction. I therefore need to make the denominators the same. I'm gonna therefore multiply x only by the first fraction. This will give me x over 1 minus x over x squared over x minus 1 over x. Now I will say equals x over 1 minus x over x squared minus 1 over x. I simplified the bottom, which equals x over 1 minus x divided by x squared minus 1 over x. Now before I do anything else, I must make sure I have one term over one term everywhere. I will therefore say x over 1 minus x over 1 divided by x minus 1 x plus 1 over x. Because this is difference of a square, I will therefore use difference of a square method to factorize. Now I have everywhere fraction with fraction and one term over one term. I will therefore say this equals x over 1 minus x over 1 multiply. I must change the division sign into multiplication, and this fraction I must convert, which will be x over the two brackets of x minus 1 x plus 1, and this equals x over 1 minus x over 1 times x over x minus 1 times x plus 1. What can we cancel here? Nothing we can cancel. We're gonna therefore multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. This simplifies to x over 1 minus x squared over x minus 1 x plus 1. Now I have fraction only with subtraction. I will therefore need to make sure I have same denominators. How am I going to make? I will change only the first fraction, which is x over 1, by multiplying by the denominator of the second fraction, which is 2 brackets. And therefore we'll have on top x times x minus 1 x plus 1, and at the bottom I will have just 1 times x minus 1 x plus 1 minus x squared over x minus 1 x plus 1. Now I make the denominators the same. I will therefore say this simplifies x over times x plus 1 x minus 1 minus x square over x plus 1 x minus 1. Now I need to get rid of the brackets on top, which equals x times. Remember, I'm going to multiply these brackets, the first term in the first bracket by both terms in the second bracket, which is x times x square, x times minus 1 minus x, and the second, which is plus 1 term in the first bracket by the both terms in the second bracket. Plus 1 times x is plus x, plus 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, minus my x square over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now I need to collect the like terms. I will still keep the x outside. X square minus x plus x gives 0. And then I will have only with minus 1 minus my old x square over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now get rid of the bracket by multiplying this. Glue to the bracket the x, both terms inside the bracket. X times x square, x cubed. X times minus 1 minus x. Then bring it down. Your negative x square over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now write in the standard way. On top, x cubed minus x square minus x over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Simplify on top by taking out highest common factor, which is x. And then this equals x square minus x minus 1 over the bracket of x plus 1 times the bracket of x minus 1. Then you are done. Hope it's gonna help you a lot.